Hey guys, welcome to a very special episode of I Ate the Whole Thing, and today we're celebrating the springtime. We're kicking off the grilling season. Cool, so we're making burgers. So we got ground beef, we got tomatoes, we got onions, we got pickles, we got lettuce, we got provolone cheese, we got minced garlic and olive oil, turmeric for seasoning the beef, black pepper, paprika, onion powder, and salt, and of course my favorite, spicy brown mustard, because I actually like mustard on my burgers. You think that's funny? Yes. Cool, my nephew's over there. All right, so we'll start off by adding the wonderful ingredients. Oh, of course, and one egg. Just to, this is the nature's glue to keeping the burger nice together. I'm gonna start by adding the garlic, minced garlic with olive oil. Just right in there. Mateo, what do you think of my cooking show? Is it all right?
Yeah.
Oh, cool. Do you watch it on YouTube or no? That's right, remember to hit that subscribe button. I'm just gonna get in there, massage all this. The turmeric, paprika, garlic powder. Yeah. Cool, that's enough salt. Now we're gonna crack one egg in there. Yeah, look at that. It's really nice. Cool. Anyway, so how's everybody's week going so far? I know everybody's freaking out about the virus happening, which, you know what I mean? Like, you can't let panic set in and then that control your life. Of course not. I remember back in 2009, the H1N1 was happening. My old band, non-existing year, we were playing at the Bamboozle Festival, and that was around that time where the epidemic was happening. And people still went out and everything, and you know what? Concerts, there's like a germ fest. It's just so many things, you know, trash and people not washing their hands when they go to the bathroom. The porta parties, ugh. Anyway, so yeah, my old band used to be non-existing year. We used to play here in Northern Jersey, upstate New York and everything. Hey, we used to have a good time. So now that we got everything nice and mixed, we're gonna start forming the patties. So I'm gonna take about like a meatball size. Right, I like my burgers to be a little big, you know what I'm saying? It's okay, he's eating grass. Do you know why dogs eat grass? Sometimes when they have a stomach ache, they eat grass so they can throw up whatever they have in the stomach so they can feel better. All right, cool, so now we have that into almost like a tennis-sized ball. Gonna flatten that. Oh yeah. This is actually 85-15, so it's 85 meat, 15% fat. I like that ratio, and it's just regular, just ground beef. Oh, this is coming out really nice. I like provolone cheese. I think that's like the most tasty cheese in my opinion. You know, I can put it in a sandwich, put it in an omelet. My last beach experience, last year we were down with my old band behind the Bullet. We ended up going down and playing a festival in Long Branch. We played at Brighton Bar. We played our show. We went across the street, got some ice cream, and jumped in the water. It was pretty cool. It was gnarly, but they had these horse flies, and they keep biting us. And I was like, what the f? That was so annoying because you'll be talking, and all of a sudden I was like, what the f? And you started trying to like swat them. It was horrible. Cool. So I made all the patties right here. We're gonna throw these, get the grill on high. Actually, it already smells really good so far. So yeah, we're doing great. Had it for about 3 minutes on the first side. Just gonna flip him right real quick. It's all the fat right now that's burning up. But you know, it's all flavor, so I'm all about flavor. So what I'm gonna do next, I'm gonna butter the buns right now, and I'm gonna toast them, get them nice and crispy. All right, guys, we're gonna put the onions on the grill so they get nice and caramelized. Now we're gonna flip the burgers one more time. So we got a lot going on here. We got the buns with the butter, get it nice and toasty on the inside part. Then we got the burgers going and then caramelizing the onions right now. Cool, put it out for another couple more minutes. We should be ready to start dressing this stuff up. Shake and bake. Mateo, you're gonna be in this video, right? Okay, well I have to ask your parents for permission because otherwise I have to blur you out. All right guys, looks like these burgers are ready to get come off the grill. So let's get them off the grill. This looks pretty good. I'm excited about this. We're gonna leave the onions a little longer so then they get caramelized. The buns are nice and toasty, so we're gonna get these off the grill. Nice. Got a nice bun, nice toasted at both ends. We're gonna start off with the lettuce. I'm gonna split this in half, put it on the bottom, has a nice cushion. Slice of tomato, right there. I'm gonna grab the patty, I'm gonna grab this on top. So we let the burger rest for a couple minutes. Then we're gonna grab the pickle, put it right on top. I grab some of the onions, put it right on top. Some of the mustard, spicy brown mustard, that's my favorite. It's all over my face and I don't care. It's delicious. Onion, excellent. Oh man, I'm really hungry this week. Sorry, this is the first time. I'm like speechless. I don't have any things to say. This is awesome. Oh. All right guys, sign off. Thank you so much for tuning in. Press the subscribe button and all that stuff, and share it with your friends. Who knows, maybe they'll like the show. I don't know. All right guys, see you next week. Take care.